And this step further is just about a simplification of the way how we write it, how we write finite difference. Okay, so for example, similar to how we treat time in numerical models, we can represent space in terms of a grid spacing, which is shown here at the bottom, delta x, and an index, okay, which refers to the number of the grid cell we're talking about. Here we have, for example, the current location is always called k. So this is in the x direction, we call it k. And then we can have a location to the right, a grid cell to the right, which is called k. Or we can have one to the left, k minus 1. So you can formulate the forward, backward, and center differences as written here. You can say k plus 1 minus k, yeah, fk. And just to illustrate you that you can easily expand it to other directions, I also added a j index here. It's also, you can see a j index, but this one also only talks about the gradients that you have in the x direction. This is how you can formulate these three first derivatives and also the second derivative. And this is how we now simplify the writing. And why we do that is from this writing as f, and then you have a subscript a j and a k, or k plus 1, you can easily convert that into a computer code. You actually use brackets and you say j comma k plus 1. And that's the reason why we use this type of writing in order to visualize our computer code.